Well, we all had a little bit of a laugh last week looking at the Linux meme reviews over in r/Linux Master Race. Let's go and take another look at another popular one, r/Linux memes, and see how that's doing since the blackout did, and see if we can get a couple of laughs. All cringes. Okay, first one. Please don't. I expose your bash history. I mean, all you're going to see is me typoing. Not really that bad. Not funny. Can't believe that's the top one. Least toxic Linux user. Using an NTFS disk with Linux and Windows. This is how the fuck you would do that, bitch. Or if you had some brains, you would Google NTFS Linux Proton and get that page and tons of other pages referring that still. How stupid are you really? All of this above is written that way because your tone sucks and stinks and asks for help, yet your attitude sucks ass. What a bitch you are. Oh, I think someone had a bad day that day. Go look at the comments. Whew. I think we've all had a day like that though. I try not to judge people because we've all had one day where everyone's pissed you off and then one poor person said something and it's just snapped you. Ooh. This is why I'm reluctant to reveal I'm a Linux user, because of this cycle. That's sad to hear. So, yeah, I kind of get it. You gotta remember, I'm not, how do I put this? I'm not condoning that behaviour. It was wrong. But we deal with a lot of crap in support. Like, let me tell you, I have been shouted at by people for not helping them while solving the problem. But it's a two-way street. Treat us with respect while we're helping you, and we'll treat you with respect back. I think that's it. Just do that, innit? You know, if you've been respectful and you've tried to think of the bigger picture, because we can't always do everything you want. Doesn't always work. I know. I wish, and we all wish it did. But yeah, I think that's the only thing we can say here. Carpet's a knob, but we've all been there once. If you say you haven't, you're lying, or you've never helped anyone. Maybe not that far though. The flag nerds have us cloaked. Flag of Microsoft is according to Linux users. Ooh, let's move on. Move on. Right, well, me every Friday reading This Week in KDE. KDE news reports are easy, you know, you don't need to read it. We've added 100 new features, and we still haven't fixed the last 1,000 features that we added for you over the last 2 decades. Don't save you some time. Right, sometimes I just can't resist. The stable distro, me. Alpha stage distro with 1 contributor.
Never before have I been so offended by something I 100% agree with.
I kind of feel called out. This guy knew that I was reading this today, didn't he? Alright, awesome WM is great without too many complications. GNOME and KDE users, Tile and Windows users. I mean, he's probably doing that because he can't even get his computer working to even have a working desktop. You know, get your own shit in order, mate. You can join us in with the conversation. And obviously we all know all DEs and WMs suck unless it's Mate or Fluxbox. Grandma only gives and gives. I mean, they're both at the same scale, aren't they? I think. Very much more to add than that. This absolute shed. I recently had to update my computer. I was already on Windows 11 and it was a minor update, and I accidentally turned off the computer when I booted. When I booted it back up, it said undoing changes made to your computer. And it's been doing that for almost 24 hours. It occasionally just restarts and the logo and the loop starts again. I can't even get to the login screen. I don't use a laptop, I use a gaming PC that I built 2 years ago and it worked perfectly well. Please help. Laughs in Linux. Laughs and have an access to my default, right? Pow! Oh! In the burn, innit? Ooh. 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 Shade. Ouch. Art users, please rise up. You got a competition. Only 12 people have walked on the moon. What's something that less people have done? Owned a Zune. Easy. Vanguard talks to Microsoft, Macs and Linux. Vanguard, tell them about our anti-cheat. Aye aye. There. Hey Windows users. League of Legends uses Vanguard anti-cheat now, and I'm sure you don't mind. Hi Vanguard, no, we don't mind 30-party apps with kernel access. Mac, League of Legends will use kernel anti-cheat now. Sorry for the inconvenience. League of Legends will run as usual on Mac. Hey, we don't support Linux anymore. It's not worth it for 800 players. Laughing my ass off. You misunderstood. I don't allow third-party rootkits malware owned by DCP in my kernel. Don't you dare harm my beloved user. Now fuck off and find another solution. The fuck did I just read? What a stupid meme. Wait until they learn that Facebook runs off Linux and Google and all the other wonderful companies. But hey, at least your kernel hasn't got a rootkit, eh? It's probably the most shittest meme I've ever read in my life. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. Windows, Window, Linux, Linux. Don't get it. Come home to the unique flavour of shattering the ground illusion. Come home to Kimbuntu. Alright, got a little chuckle, I suppose. NeoFetch has been discontinued. What's the alternative? I swear people have got a bit of a grandma fucking kink going on at the moment. But fair play, she's a good lady. I like watching her content. It's way more entertaining than it's got any right to. And it's quite interesting seeing how, like, you know, the more normal end of the Linux user sees issues. I quite enjoy it. It's quite eye-opening to me. Me walking into work Monday and finally installing Arch Linux without any errors or mistake. Here comes the Arch users. Well, this is what a Gentoo user looks like after installing Gentoo on a PlayStation 2 from 1999 when he drove to work on a Monday morning.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Get off my damn ship. Hey, don't worry, Howard Diver, you're playing on Linux. Microsoft can't get to you. Microsoft Word. Hey? Can I get it? Well, too LibreOffice to understand that. Spotted at work. Here comes Linux, smashing through windows and knocking down gates. Alright, that's some good artwork. I want that. I have a plan to replace NeoFetch. What is it? It's a piece of software used by racers to let us know which distro they brutally disfigured, but that's not the important part now. Fucking love Aeroplane. I need to watch Naked Gun again as well. Liam Neeson is fucking awesome. So is this outside a distro of some sort? Touching grass or something. Welcome to Fish. I'm a genius. Alias neofetch equals fastfetch. Or just use a decent fetch program from the beginning since it's been discontinued since 2000-ish. A cool Linux I can't resist temptation. A cool Linux distribution that I've heard of. Me fighting the urge to distro hop. Oh, sorry, distro HP. I don't know. Get a real distro. Gentoo boys. Guys, I think I have a theory. Thank you very much. Now, and every time I watch My Hero Academia, that's all I'm going to think of. Well done. Do they smoke? I have no idea what Touchgrass OS is, and at this point I'm afraid to ask. Oh god, let me guess. I bet you anything. Touchgrass OS is going to be a Ubuntu skin. Let's go for it. Let's have a look. Touchgrass. Not going to be a freaking thing, is it? Wow, that's fucking brilliant, isn't it? Well done, boys. You got me.
Congratulations! Congratulations! Congratulations!
Linux desktop slander. So true. That reminds me of the day I used to use Fluxbox all the time. Alright. I'm not that old yet. Didn't Vertbox do this, or is it just a similar sort of idea to that? I like this guy already. Yeah, this is Vertbox. Back when Vertbox was actually funny. You misspelled mate, mate. Ah, my work PC. Alias LS Echo. Oh, nasty. This very was. Go on then. Let's see what this one is. Suck it, what knows it. But Cardinal insisted to push that lane project to its user base. Alright, good job Linux memes. Some absolute terrible takes there. Also some very good edits, much higher quality than Linux Master Race. So take yourself as the crown for top dogs in the meming world, lads. And I think next time week we'll do something a little bit different. Should we go and look at some Windows memes and just see how cringe that'd be? I think that'd be quite funny. Anyway guys, keep meming.